All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the frame rate on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. First, let's turn it on by pressing the mode and holding it. And I'm on my video page. And to change the frame rate, if you look down here, it's 4K, 24 frames a second. I click on the 1X. It gives me the ability to slide it up, change it from 24 to 30. Whoops. This is very finicky, you guys. It does not move easy. There's 30 frames. There's 60 frames. And there's 120 frames per second. Let's go back down. See there? Look at it. Now I'm 4 times the speed. So let's go back down to 1. Let's go 1. So that's the way I'm going to keep it. But that's how you change the frame rate. If you want, if you're shooting sports or something that's moving super fast, you want a higher frame rate. If you're just shooting for cinematic purposes, 24 is probably going to be fine for you. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on how to do stuff on your GoPro Hero 10 Black. Peace out.